guys, welcome back to another video. We are at the Prairie Park Nature Center, and we are going to take you on our nature walk. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Let's go. All right.
What's that for?
That's another activity.
All right, here we are at the Prairie Park Nature Center.
Oh, pond.
And immediately we come across a pond, but there's no wildlife, no turtles or nothing in there, it don't look like.
No.
But this is a pretty cool place. Joey came out here last year for a summer program, and what was it called? Kids versus Wild?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the nature center.
Are you doing Kids versus Wild again this year?
Well,
I think you are.
no.
No, you're not doing Kids versus Wild?
Well, the man, I thought I was closed.
Oh, what did you do last year at Kids versus Wild?
So we played over here for all the rocks. Oh my God.
Alright, they've got activities going on out here.
Oh, yes, I remember that. Alright, so take the end of your photo.
Alright, let's go around this way, Joey, then we'll go down that trail right there. You want to go this way? Alright, we're going to follow Joey.
We're showing the secret place.
What's this?
Here, hold my drink. I'm gonna take you guys with me.
Alright, Joey's going to handle the camera.
Okay. Place is really outgrown, so for the past years, but there's the old tree that we hanged out at. Up there. And if you come over here, there is a bunch of stuff back here. There's a little trail over there. And this is the main path. And there's some random wood. And then last year, when I was out here, well, 2019, but now it's 2020. There used to be a fireplace right around here, and then this is also another tree that people would hang out in. Then there's two exits. There's one that way and one that way where Pop's at. And we're gonna go out this way, so that way, because that way is out towards the parking lot. Oof. And that is the secret place. And then you got that over there. And then you got those things. And then you got a turtle.
What are those things, Joey? You remember?
Rocks.
No, what are those?
What?
Those pipes.
The
down.
pipe.
Let's go see what they are. I think they're musical things.
Pointing you guys at the floor.
Oh, here, I'll bet this is what we do. Okay, ready? Hold on.
People.
All right. See if I can zoom in on that little guy. Joey, there he is.
You guys see him?
Back to nature with the butterflies. Up there he went off.
Okay.
All right, Joey, which way are we going now? There's a rock tunnel.
Yeah, and I'm not playing well. Last year.
Joey, is that natural or did caveman build that? Or did they build that here?
Yeah.
What'd they do?
It's really hard, but it's plastic. And it's really like,
It's plastic?
yeah. Well, it's not plastic.
No, it's rock.
No, it's not rock. Come here. Come here. How do you explain that?
Oh, that's true. Okay. All right.
Okay. And then, if you guys ever come out here to Lawrence, up in Nature Center, they have like Kids versus Wild. And this, they will allow you to play on this. And what you do to climb up, you step on this. You put 1 foot right here. And then you come up. And then I'm not going to go all the way up because I'm going to need my hands. And you can go up there.
All the way up there.
It's really high. I'm going to jump down now.
All right, here you go.
Even though that's like, I've jumped down that, I'm not going up there today.
All right. Now which way, Joe? All right, Joey's taking us off into the jungle. Jungle Joey. All right, here we go. Yep, there's a little fire pit.
That way. Go that way. You don't have to duck with me.
Well, it's too late, I'm committed. All right, hopefully Joey won't smack me with a tree limb.
Will you smack me with all of them? Here, let me see. Let me see you guys.
You got to watch the camera view so that way you can see where you're pointing to, okay?
And then, Bob, you don't come with me. It's really sticky back here. Well, I can't go any farther, but there's a field out there. It's really spiky. Ow, ow.
All right, just be sure to keep looking in that viewfinder so that way you can see where you're going.
Then, trail back here with stumps. But you can't really see it. But there's some stumps. Oh, Pop, you'll need to duck. Pop, go this way, it's taller.
Okay.
You just have to step over one thing. This log. It's got mushrooms. I'm not going to twist the camera. But it's got mushrooms. And then it's a little trail. Pop, you cannot come. It's really
I
short.
think we need to go a route that Pop can go. Let's go back this way.
I'm going to show them back over here. And I can't go too far, you guys, but I know how to work a camera, so there's a trail back here. It's over there, but I ain't going to go through it because I ain't going to go too far without Pop. Okay. And also, guys, we did not build this. This is like actually built by the nature, and there's like a trail. A bunch of plants are touching me. Then, okay, I'm backing out. I heard something.
Come on.
I don't know what it is. It's a jungle. I read. Ugh.
Yeah, let's find a trail where we can stand up and walk.
Yeah, I just wanted to show them back over here. And then there's mushrooms over here, and there's some mushrooms over there.
All right. Now, all right.
Back through.
We're going to follow Joey back through.
Okay, here we go, Pop. Stretch while you still can.
Yeah, folks, this is a tight squeeze. All right,
Not here to prove.
let's go this way.
This way. Oh, you can stand through this. And we're gonna pop out the jungle.
Okay, hold on to this string so that way it's not flapping around.
And we're out of the jungle. Let's go back over to the trail. And let's go. And well, last year, people would use this hole, big kids would use this hole right there, and they would go through, and then a little tunnel right about there. And then we're gonna continue down this way. And we will eventually get on the trail, hopefully.
Keep your eye on that viewfinder so you can see where you're going. So you can see what people are seeing.
And also, this is my first time pulling the camera. Pop was holding the camera, but now this is my first time. There's the trail back there. But we're gonna go this way. Might want to duck. Bridge. Oh, bridge. Bridge. We're going that way. Down that trail.
There's a little fishing pond down by here called Mary's Lake that we go fishing every now and then.
Well, we haven't fished on it for a long time. That's where we are eventually gonna turn down there and go in the trail somewhere over there. Let me zoom out for you guys. And also, you guys are on a camera, so we can zoom it in and out. So it might feel kind of weird, but it's on a camera. Eventually, we will have the like famous YouTubers have soon enough. And also, if you guys have not heard in the beginning, please smash that like button and subscribe for more videos.
It's quite a journey we're going on, Joey.
Yeah, I had to walk this whole trail. People would hide big kids would hide in this tall grass. And then we played like tag over here or something, Wolfson something. I don't know, but there's a trail up there that leads back over to that main trail. And then we are gonna go in the woods. And then there's a trail for there, but you guys can't really see it. It's kind of blending in.
We're coming across another wooden footbridge.
Bridge. Trail.
This is pretty cool, huh, Joey?
Yeah. And it's just kind of foresty over there, forest over there. This is a pretty darn big bridge. Here's the creek.
There's a creek, yeah. It's
Water.
not running.
Well, it's not. I mean, there's a little bit of ripples.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could get the camera back. You see kind of that little ripples, that little flashiness? That is the little wave come through, and then it goes all the way back there, and then it just ends, and then there's a little stream. It just goes down. And then we got this over here. You guys can see that. And there's a bunch of dragonflies. It kind of just comes under us, and there's a little log down there, and the water comes under it, and it goes beside us, and then it finally leaves us. And then it's all nature-y. Oh, hasn't left us yet. There's sand. More sand.
I kind of keep it pointing straight ahead. You're making people dizzy. Which way?
This way.
All right. We came to a fork in the road.
What?
I said that's called a fork in the road. Where you got a choice to go right or left.
right or left. And then maybe once we get enough money, we could go Bigfoot hunting.
Why did you point the camera at me about money?
Well, you're the one that keeps money. I'm only 8. I can't keep a track of money. Only money I have is like $30.
Wow, you're rich.
I'm not rich. Well, I am rich. Not.
So you want me to carry the camera for a little bit?
Yeah, arm's getting really hurty.
Okay. All right.
Okay, can you open it?
All right, I need to open Joey's Gatorade.
Tree.
He's getting
More
thirsty for
trees.
carrying the camera. All
My
right.
hand is starting to hurt.
All right. Now,
Gatorade's gonna fill me up. Look at the holes. Show you guys the holes.
yeah,
Little holes in the tree.
holes in the tree. A lot of old trees back here. Yeah, this Prairie Park Nature Center in Lawrence, Kansas. If you ever want to find something to do with your kids, this would be a great place to take them. It's just off of Haskell Drive.
Make a list of things they gotta try to find.
We were out fishing at Clinton Lake yesterday, and we saw another trail that we'd like to go and walk on. It'd be another nature adventure to take you guys on. It'd be a blast.
So we are gonna keep on going down the trail. And then I remember where we stopped and turned around. And then we'll go back up that way for a little bit, and then we'll go back on the main trail. Or that big braided way from the street.
Joey, are there any bears out here? Huh? Is there any bears?
Yeah, but there's stuff moving.
Probably squirrels and rabbits.
Snail!
No.
Dude, you just killed the snail!
Sorry, I didn't see it.
Dude, you didn't kill him, you killed his shell.
Oh, I killed I made a snail homeless. Sorry about that.
You gotta watch out for snails, Bob.
Okay.
The more snails we have, the better.
Oh.
They're the most friendly. Well, we're in cities.
I thought a ladybug was the most friendly insect. That's why they call her a lady. Right?
No.
Oh.
I don't know the reason, but that's a really weird reason.
Sounds good.
What?
I said it sounds good.
And then, looks like this is a mountain bike trail. There's all the roots.
Could be. I don't see why you couldn't ride a bike on it. I didn't see any signs, said no bicycles.
And when I was in the program, which Papa was talking about earlier, like in the front of the video, we saw one bicycle. One or two, but they were with each other. And that's all we saw. And we kept on going down the trail. And then I think when we went to the hike, we popped out on the lake, I think. I'm sorry guys, I don't remember the whole thing. Because, you know, this was like a year ago. About a year ago. And, oh, there's a trail.
Yeah, there's another little trail, probably an animal trail. Oh, it's gone. Joy saw a robin on the trail, not a robin.
What's a robin, Pop?
It's a mechanical robin. Called a robin. It says chirp, chirp. All right. Now we're on a concrete trail.
And we're on a concrete.
I think we're going to be going down by Mary's Pond now.
Yeah, Mary Pond is down that way. You guys see, you can't see now.
Mary's Pond is, or Mary's Lake anyway, is really good if you want to bring your kids out fishing. Joey, the first time I took him fishing out here, he caught 4 little catfish. That was his very first time ever fishing, I found out. And as you can see, they've got shelters out here. Well, somebody made a little birdhouse out of, looks like tongue depressors or popsicle sticks. That's pretty cool. Is that something you guys did in Kids vs. Wild, Joey?
No.
No?
We did like forts for survival.
Alright, and that's Mary's Lake right down there.
Right down there. And so here were the big kids. I had, well, on our team, we were right here in these 4 trees.
What'd you build there? Did you build a fort or
A 50% built fort.
a 50% built fort? What does that mean? It was only halfway built?
Yeah.
Oh.
We had the walls and everything up. We had a wood couch.
You had a wood couch.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We did not have.
Did you have a wood TV?
No.
No?
No.
No TV?
No TV.
Stereo system?
No.
Swimming pool. Oh, you got the lake.
Yeah, I got
Didn't
the
need a
lake,
swimming pool.
But I'm gonna go swimming.
But you can't go swimming in Mary's Lake.
Nope. And then last year they had.
Joey, I don't remember this concrete trail going down over here last year.
No, it was just. No.
This was just a regular, I think this was just a regular footpath last year.
No, it was like this train.
Yeah.
And then there's car tires, and they would park, and they parked the boat. They would park it. They had canoes, and a person, and then of course, hey, why don't we go fish that?
All right.
And then they put the canoes in the water. I was like,
I don't know if
oh,
y'all
can I have the kayak?
see that or not, but somebody lost. Where's it at? There it is. Can you see it?
Right above the water.
I don't see it. No, the reflection. Oh, there it is. There's a float. Somebody got caught in the tree.
And if you ever want to go fishing here, go over there where the dock's
Yeah,
at.
we'll show you. We'll show you where to go fishing at. That's a good spot.
This is not a good spot. You'll get
Too many trees.
my Nana and me, the Papa is not with us because you were at work, well, your old work, and we came over here and I got stuck on the tree, and then we had to cut the line and then we had to get then we finally had to replace it. It's actually really tough.
And sometimes when the water's up really high, the water's up over here, you can see that concrete barrier and it'd be a waterfall, and you could actually fish off of this side over here. This side's not so good because it's got all this moss and these weeds and stuff.
There's ripples.
Yep, probably a
see the
fish or a
water.
frog or a turtle.
Probably a frog. I don't think a fish would come.
Anyway, got some people fishing over there on that dock. That's the dock that Joey and I fished off a couple weeks ago. I caught a big old catfish and Joey caught a bluegill.
And if you want to know where that bluegill was, it's right by the dock. Just
Probably still there, huh, Joey? But anyway, this is Mary's Lake.
oh, look at
see
this food.
Oh yeah, that's a rubber.
It's fake food.
But anyway, that's Mary's Lake. It's a nice little place. Nice and
Nice
calm.
place. And if you ever want to go canoeing out here, I suggest you now, if you ever find this video in 2020, hopefully the cure can come soon, and you can come out and go to the Kids vs. Wild, and they have canoes that they bring down here with a car, and you can paddle out here. But the next time when I get stuck out there with 2 people, so last year we were out here and we got stuck. Do you remember that person?
Oh yeah, there's somebody fishing on a pier way over there. There's a little dock.
Yeah, and by that dock, like a little bit at the end of the pond in that corner, we got stuck, and I was just like, okay, sink. And then I was like, Nope, I can't think anymore. I was about to just use my old kayak skills. You just take one paddle and...
Who'd you go kayaking with out here?
What?
Who'd you go kayaking with out here?
No, a canoe.
Who? With who?
Kids versus Wild.
Oh, Kids versus Wild. Okay.
It's the only way you can get a canoe.
Where'd they put the canoe in at? Right there?
No, over there.
Oh, over there.
And there is also snakes out here. So I recommend do not fish in really deep grass.
See, Joey, that's where you thought we could park. Once upon a time you could, but now they've got it all blocked off.
Rocks.
We thought we used to be able to park right there when we go fishing, but now they got the sidewalk built and it's just right off the highway. So we have to park, and you'll see the walk starting from right here to where we normally park, and the camera's going to shut off. Yeah.
But now they can't.
And the camera's going to shut off here in about 4 minutes. Then I'll have to start it up again.
How about we cut off the camera and we add 2 videos? Pop.
We will.
Cut off the camera and then we'll start it back up.
All right, Joey wants to stop the camera now, then we'll start it up again. So here we go. So we're going to shut the camera off for just a second. All right, there's Joey. See you, Joey. All right, we're back. Joey and his Gatorade, staying hydrated. All right. Joey's got to take a bathroom break, so there's a porta potty, a big one. That's a huge porta potty. Huge. Anyway. There's people down there fishing. I'd show you fishing, but here comes Joey. All right, he made it. He survived the porta potty.
I made it. I found a bunch of egg sacs from spiders.
Spiders?
Yeah.
Ooh.
But they're already. You know, that's just squirrels. I'm really happy. And here's an owl, but somebody was
Can't really read it. It's
dumb enough.
talking about beavers. So I guess there's beavers out here at Mary's Lake.
But it doesn't. Well, it's probably those. So over there,
Yeah.
there's like a big den off of, like, kind of off in the woods.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Is there a creek that goes back? Well, I guess we just walked across the creek.
No, but
What have we got here? What are they talking about here? Somebody came over and people write stuff on these, and it's ridiculous. You know, if you're coming out to walk and enjoy nature, it's nice to be able to read what they put out here instead of people defacing this stuff. I mean, they're talking about ducks and geese, but somebody decided to take some paint and scribble on it.
I guess somebody was out of their mind.
Yep. And that's some swampy water. Probably an alligator in there, Joey. What do you think? Think there's an alligator in there? Oh, it got me.
There's probably just fishies and frogs. Maybe a turtle. Maybe snapping turtle.
A lot of turtles out in Henry's Lake. That's another place we go fishing at, is Henry's Lake.
Wait, snake? Is that a snake? Oh, it's a...
It's a bean pod, pea pod.
Okay, that is just sucks. The only thing you might want to bring is a lot of water.
A lot of water. That's why Joey's got a Gatorade.
I got a Gatorade pop shot. Oh, you look.
Oh,
Scared.
a bird.
When I say a bird, you gotta stop, Pop.
Okay.
You can't go scare him.
Yeah, what does this talk about?
Probably a snake.
All right,
So
you guys can pause that and read it if you want to, but it's talking about snakes or natural adaptation. It says wire running through a tree.
What?
Oh,
Why?
this was back when they were nailing wire to trees for fencing off land.
Well, looks like it just somebody rents a place out and there used to be wiring back there.
Well, it's nice and shady right here, Joey. And here,
dead tree activities.
no, cavities.
Oh, cavities. You can help.
What do you see it there? What's up in the upper right-hand corner?
What?
What's that in the upper right-hand corner?
Squirrel.
What kind of squirrel?
Flying squirrel.
Okay, what's that?
What? This?
The top.
Owl.
And what's that with your foot's on?
A woodpecker.
Okay,
And
what's
another-
further down?
And that's
Another woodpecker.
And then that one. For that. It's a goose or a geese. Can't really tell because this thing's like 1,000,000 years old. And then people would used to just sit on those things because they're so big. But the small ones, nobody.
Oh, missed a bird. He was hiding in the grass.
Always trying to. I am joking.
Well, this is quite a nature walk.
Yeah, and it's really tiring.
Another sign talking about the butterflies.
Oh no. Also,
You got
if you
tiger
want
swallows.
a place to go where there are a bunch of butterflies, I will recommend you to go to Harry's Pond. And there's so there's like this part, not where the parking lot's at, but in front of the parking lot.
We were attacked by butterflies.
Like,
There's another bird.
There, birdie.
There he goes. He's flying off. I don't know if we caught that on camera or not, but that was another robin.
Robin. There is a lot of birds. There are turtles. Well, why do turtles fast?
What? Remember we were talking about that yesterday? When we were out at Henry's Lake, called basking and sunbathing. That's how they regulate their temperatures. Remember that big turtle we saw sitting on that stump? It was a huge turtle.
We didn't record that.
Well, somebody tried to wipe that off, but made it kind of worse, where you can't even read it. It's talking about
Different animals.
wildlife you may see.
Oh, there's a
Bobcat.
bobcat, birdie, owl, the great heron,
Yep.
Deer,
Yep.
woodpecker.
We see a heron out at Henry's Lake a lot, and
Like every time we're there, we see one.
he catches more fish than we do.
Yeah.
It's so awesome to watch him catch a fish the way they do it.
And it's really just nice to go out there and just watch the heron just eat all the fish. It's really nice scenery and all that stuff. And then by it, so if you go down to like,
Got red-tailed hawks out here. That's the red-tailed hawk. It talks about
I'm
it.
surprised nobody has drilled on this yet.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Maybe
Like all redbirds.
they like red-tailed hawks better. You can see a lot of forest land around us.
What?
A lot of trees.
A lot of trees.
And the only trails you're going to see is animal trails going off for the deer and the rabbits, occasional fox, maybe even coyotes. It's pretty hot out today, huh, Joey?
Yeah, it's like 90 or like 100. As soon as we got here in the beginning of the video, it's getting really hot.
Well, let's see what it says according to. It says it is
100 degrees. Well, it's like 95 and it feels like 100.
feels like 93. It's 89. I've always said if it says one temperature and it says it feels like it's the other temperature, it's the other temperature. Don't worry about it actually is. All right, let's go that way, Joey. We're going to take a right. This will get us back to the nature center. I hope.
Oh. Yeah, this is a trail. And then we're going to turn to our left, that way. And then if you ever want to go to it and you're at, well, I don't remember.
What are you trying to remember?
I don't remember if this is the trail.
Prairie Park Nature Trail.
Yeah, I know, there's a million trails.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the squirrel?
Yeah, right there. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. He's pretty well hidden back off in there.
Got a white piece of tail. Yeah. I ain't ready. Oh, is this a... I see light. Maybe it's just a... Maybe it's just a... Pick which way? Yeah. Pretty.
Joey, does this just make a circle?
Yep.
No, there's a trail. Straight ahead. All right, now we're back off into the woods. Sorry about all the moaning and groaning, folks, but
Top is really tall.
yeah.
But it had
And we got branches that are hanging. Well, we'll just walk on the sidewalk going up there. It'll be all right. We're fixing to be out in civilization. All right. All right, we're back out in civilization.
And we will have some shade.
Right up there is where we turned in, so we'll be at the car pretty soon. So,
I think that's the trail that we did go over.
Joey, let's go ahead and end this adventure. Go ahead and let's do our outro here.
Let's go back at the car.
Want to do it at the car? Okay, we'll do it at the car.
Here, get one full view. Full video. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, because I think that's just where we parked.
Yeah, we're right over here.
Where's that? No, this is,
Yeah, this is where we were parked at.
we go show inside.
No, I don't think the inside's going to be open. We'll do that again another day. We'll save that video.
I think they have it open.
Well, we'll do another video on the inside next time we come. Do the outside this time, the next time we'll do the inside.
Okay.
All right.
This is the outro.
You want to do it right there in the shade?
Yeah. Hot. Oh, it's fence.
Or you want to do it right here by this?
Fence.
Okay. All right. Joey's going to do our outro. All right. Take it away, Joey.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will try. We'll just. Okay. Okay.
This is Joey's first
Bye,
time.
guys.
It's okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed the little adventure, and we'll see you next time on Joey and Pop's Fun and Adventure.
Next week.